Introducing the QBRIX String Art from any photo. The beloved kit is now available in the shape of a heart. The shape of the picture is ideal for couple photos, romantic shots, and special moments you want to preserve. Everything you need to create a portrait is already included. Just a few simple steps. Scan the QR code from the paper manual, upload your favorite photo to our web application, choose one of the options and receive instructions immediately. To get started, take all the components out of the box. Carefully and firmly press the nails one by one into the pilot holes in the shape of the heart. Transform the box into an easel. Insert the spool holder. Place the template with the markings onto the base. Attach the corner protectors as shown in the diagram and insert the picture into the box. Assemble the phone stand, and you're ready to go. Enjoy the process of creating your masterpiece with our interactive instructions and voice assistant. Assemble a portrait with a continuous thread, drawing it step by step with your own hands based on your favorite photograph. Once you have finished the picture, you can assemble the word love if you wish. A special red thread is included in the set for this purpose. It is entirely up to you whether you want to make a picture with the inscription or not. The portrait turns out neat and detailed. The base size is 50 by 50 centimeters. The finished painting will decorate any interior and make a wonderful gift, a symbol of your love and care. A string art from QBRIX is an opportunity to preserve pleasant memories or create new ones with your own hands. Enjoy creativity with QBRIX.